guys, and welcome to the cheapskate side of YouTube. At this point, I am doing everything at home anyways, so why not add eyebrow tinting to the resume? I am filming in front of my window, so the sun is in and out, in and out, in and out, playing games with me. As you can see, my eyebrows are very thin, very sparse, and pretty light in my opinion, even though I have like pitch black hair. My eyebrows have always been like this grayish tone that I absolutely hate, but that's maybe just because I don't have any hair. So hopefully this color will intensify the hair that I already have and also tint my skin a little bit so that it looks giving you illusion that I have flawless eyebrows even though I have flawed eyebrows. So after doing some research, I went with these two products right here. They seem the most common, the most safe. They are for your eyebrows and eyelashes, so I feel safe using them. I bought this in the shade Pure Black just because I have pitch black hair, and I bought this cream developer right here. There is one with a blue label, and that is more of like a liquid form, and this is more like a creamy form, the one that is purple. So just so you guys know, I think it all comes down to preference really on what you like to use, but I feel like the cream might be a little bit I don't know, easier to work with. Now other than that, you are going to be needing something what? So other than that, you are going to be needing something to mix it in. I have this little container right here which I mix like weird stuff in. It's been through a lot. And then you want some Vaseline or some concealer just to, you know, protect the areas that you don't want any color on. This is a great idea if you are a beginner and just want to play it safe, you know? Then I'm gonna be using a flat. I'm gonna be using a flat brush to apply the Vaseline. And for the color, I'm gonna be using a flat angled brush like this. The packaging came with like a little tool, kind of looks like a toothpick, but I'm not gonna be using that because I have trust issues. I need something that I am familiar with. Some cotton pads and water, of course. With that said, let's begin, shall we? Alright, so I'm gonna get my hair out of the way, and as you guys can see, I've dyed my hair black again. And now I'm just gonna put on some, whoa, why am I shaking? It's concerning. I'm gonna clean up my area. I don't have anything on them right now, as you guys can see, but I'm just gonna clean it up anyways. You guys, I am a little bit nervous because this part right here, I shaved it off for like an event. It's been 3 weeks and it hasn't grown back, so I'm a little bit like panicky. I mean, if you pluck it, that's another thing, but this part hasn't grown back yet, so that's why it looks like that. It looks a little bit botched, but it's okay, you know, it's just half of my brows. So now that my eyebrows are dried, I am gonna be taking some, not concealer, well yeah, if you want to use concealer, Vaseline, coating both sides of it, and then I am just gonna be kind of like mapping out the area. This end part is gonna be so hard. Alright, and then I put like a click of this color right here into my little thingy. Now how to blend and the ratio of it all is in the packaging, so you don't have to worry about that. With that, this is gonna be 10 drops of this. And then now I'm just gonna mix everything. I've heard that it can be a little bit lumpy in the beginning, but eventually it will emulsify. I have always been super insecure about my eyebrows just because I don't have any. So having this brow tint, if it works, would be great. That would feel amazing to just like go to the grocery stores without thinking like, I have to put on my eyebrows. So I would be super thankful if it worked. So this is the consistency that we have right here. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my ends. I'm gonna apply it really gently, like barely any pressure, because I don't want the color like to smudge. Okay, and in the front, I'm trying to do like this ombre effect, but I don't know. I don't even know if I should work quick or should I just like take my time. I think I'm gonna take my time because I want the form or like the shape to be perfect. I'm pretty satisfied with that. I think I'm gonna take this part at the very end. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to focus a little bit on the front. Okay, so I'm pretty satisfied with the shaping of it. This side looks a little bit, but it's all good. I think it's at max capacity. Okay, so now that I have the shape that I want, I'm just gonna pack on with even more color. I don't know if that helps. I just feel like it would. Okay, so I think I feel done. There is still a lot of product. My shoulders. There is still a lot of product left. So you guys do not need to use the ratio that is in the packaging. You can take like half of it, really. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna wait for about 15 minutes. I know the packaging says like 5 to 10 minutes, but I think I'm gonna wait 15 minutes.
A few moments later.
Are you guys ready? You guys, that looks good. That looks so natural. Why haven't I done this before? That looks so natural. The fuck? I'm so happy. Okay, so let's see what the other side looks like. I'm a little bit nervous because, you know, the ends were botched off by me. This side looks really natural as well, except for the ends. If my ends were intact, I think this look would be phenomenal. I don't know, but I feel like it looks really good. It looks really natural. I might have to fill in like the ends on this side a little bit, but the other side I'm pretty like satisfied with it. Maybe just a little bit like brow gel. Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Why waste time, you know? Yeah, just a little bit like that. And I am satisfied. This looks really good. I'm so happy. Oh my god. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some brow gel. For some people, this might be their natural brow. But for me, this is everything I've ever wanted. According to other sources, this should be lasting anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks. Like, I'm really happy if this like lasts a week. Like, for me, this is a win if it lasts a week. The bar is not high for your girl, okay? Oh my goodness, if you guys have blonde hair and you guys are going in with this dye, you are gonna get full luscious brows deluxe. I feel prettier already. I love it so much. Alright, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Oh my god, I can't stop staring at myself. The fact that I can take a shower and this will not go off? Oh my god, okay. I hope you guys found this video helpful in any way, shape, or form. I hope you guys are inspired to do it yourself at home. I know that this stuff can be a little bit pricey, and I know you are paying for the experience and the knowledge and the professionals, but if you want to save a couple of bucks or you're on a tight budget, then definitely do this at home. Link to everything is in the description box down below. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, night, or whatever the case may be, and hopefully you subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!